Hi everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the syllabus revised for the year 2021. As we all know, due to COVID-19, the schools are not working as usual. Hence, the syllabus has been revised by a reduction of 30 percentage. So we know this very well. So this means some of the portion has been deleted. So what are included, what is deleted, that is what we are going to check out now. Okay, so now coming to the next one. Here the code for biology is 044. Every time whenever the syllabus is being uploaded, there are certain instructions given by the board. The pre-information is shown in this picture. You all can see that. So this is the pre-information. Coming to the class 12 syllabus, we have 5 units. In class 11, we have 5 units. In continuation of that, the units are numbered 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6th unit is reproduction, which is of 14 marks. 7th unit is genetics and evolution, which is of 18 marks. 8th unit is biology and human welfare, 14 marks. Biotechnology, the 9th unit. 10th unit is ecology and environment. Both carries 12 marks each. So totally 17 marks. So in this, when you start learning, usually how students learn, they will learn for every test being conducted by the school or the institution where they are learning. So as you learn, you randomly learn every topic. Certain topics you learn very well, certain topics you learn less, maybe not very thorough, but it goes on like that only every time. But when it comes to exam preparation, you need to have certain strategy to score full marks. Obviously, the only strategy which can fetch you marks is learning everything without leaving anything. But I am not that good. I have to score a little bit more. If you feel, you can look out this marking scheme, that means the mark distribution which is given here, and you can follow that. Okay, so which is carrying higher marks here? Genetics and evolution is carrying higher marks, which is 18. And the next comes reproduction and biology and human welfare. After that comes biotechnology and ecology and environment. If you have idea about all these units, then you can decide which one focus more, which one focus less. But almost the marks are nearly like nearly equal. They are not less. But let us check the length of the lessons they have. We will discuss about it now. Okay. So based on the length and convenience of your understanding, you can decide what you have to learn. Okay. But my overall advice, since the question paper pattern has also been changed, it's my advice to you to learn everything without fail, because 1 mark questions are more now. So be cautious. Next one. In reproduction unit, you could see that chapter 2, 3 and 4 are included. Chapter 1 has been removed. Chapter 1, reproduction is in organism, has been removed. Usually, students learn very well as they start off with the class 12. The enthusiasm to get more marks in the board exam derives them, so they learn so very well. So unit 1 is their cup of tea. That means unit 6 reproduction is their cup of tea, and they learn all the lessons very well. This is what I have seen through all these years. So I hope you people also have learned this very well. Focus on the concepts here so that you can do better. Okay, so this is your cup of tea. There is no doubt you have learned this well. If not, make an effort to learn, because these lessons are not difficult. They are very easy. Okay, coming to the next one. Here you could see it is about genetics and evolution. And here also you can see that only 2 units are given. Chapter 5, two chapters are given. I use the word units. Two chapters are given. Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance. Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. And chapter 7, Evolution, has been deleted. So only 2 units you have. 2 chapters you have, which is of 18 marks. Learning 2 chapters only, 18 marks. What about these lessons? Are they easy? So it depends on your level of understanding. For some people it is going to be easy, for some it is not. It depends on completely your understanding about these lessons. When it comes to principles of inheritance, it is purely your understanding only. How you understand it is like probability. It requires more understanding, and you need to learn the logic behind it, the concepts which led to that understanding. For that, a clear cut picture you should have in your mind. Okay, so in my opinion, I personally feel understanding derives the score in principles of inheritance lesson. So there are certain topics where you need to memorize and understand. Both are there, obviously. Without that it is not there. But understanding plays the key role. Coming to the molecular basis of inheritance lessons, I think this is the first time you are learning in detail about DNA and the related information like replication, transcription, translation, operons and all. Fine. If you make little effort, you could learn, because we will be discussing in a separate video which topics you have to focus more. Okay, focus more. Okay, so in that video you will get an idea which topics you have to learn better, how to learn them. Okay, so the next one is biology and human welfare. Here also you could see that only 2 lessons are there, 2 chapters are there. Chapter 8, Human Health and Diseases. Chapter 10, Microbes and Human Welfare. Chapter 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production, which is discussing about plant and animal breeding is being removed. Okay, so only 2 lessons. And chapter 9 is a continuation of what you have learned in grade 9. Why do we follow lesson? Do you remember? Okay, so if you have given certain kind of interest and pick up your old knowledge and continue here, obviously you will be able to learn the lesson human health and diseases. Microbes is in human welfare is such a small and easiest lesson. Focus, guys. Focus what you want. You will be able to achieve it. Okay. The next one is biotechnology and its application. These are such small lessons. Some are going to feel it very easy, many feel okay, and some obviously feel it is tough. If you understand what happens like in replication, transcription and translation and all, and you know how to manipulate the DNA, and you will be able to understand it by learning these 2 lessons and how do we use them. Of course, there are certain areas which requires additional information for understanding in these lessons, but still these 2 are the simplest, smallest, scoreable lessons. But for some it is obviously going to be tough, for many it is obviously going to be okay, but making an effort to learn them is the greatest thing you can do, and you will be able to get it if you take time to learn that. The next one is Unit 10, Ecology and Environment. You have only 2 units. That is chapter 13 and chapter 15. Again here, chapter 14 and 16. Chapter 14, Ecosystem, and chapter 16, Environmental Issues. Both lessons have been deleted. So out of 4, only 2 you are going to have. These lessons are, it's like piece of cake. You will be able to learn them just like that. Okay. Then the next one. So the deleted portions, we have listed all of them together. Chapter 1, Reproduction in Living Organism. Chapter 7, Evolution. Chapter 9, Strategies in Enhancement of Food Production. Chapter 14, Ecosystem. And Chapter 16, Environmental Issues. These 5 whole chapters have been deleted. So initially we had 16 chapters. Out of that, 5 are deleted. So there are going to be only 11 chapters for your CBSE board exam for the year 2020-21. Okay, so for this academic year, it is going to be from grade 12 only 11 chapters. What about NEET? These deleted things are included in NEET. As of now, NTA didn't announce any deletions. Okay, so it is like you have to learn everything from grade 11 and everything from grade 12 without leaving anything. So it is better you practice in the same way as you are learning without leaving anything. Okay, hope this helps. There is deletion of portion and you know the topics well. Since the entire chapters have been deleted, it is easy for you to focus on what you have to learn. Hope this is going to help you, and thank you.